then you can see the who can tag you. Click on no one, and you can see disable tags. Click on disable. After these settings, nobody can tag with you on your Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this quick video I'm gonna show you how you can stop tagging people with you on your Instagram. So how you can do, let's get started. First of all, you need to open your Instagram application, and then you can simply click here on your profile, and then you can simply click here on three lines, and then you can simply see this type of interface, and you can simply click here on settings, and you can simply click here on privacy. Here you can see this type of interface, and you can simply click here on post, and then you can see the who can tag you. Click on no one, and you can see disable tags. Click on disable. After these settings, nobody can tag with you on your Instagram. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I will see you another video.